Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok. Something went wrong, try again later, retry problem in TikTok application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in TikTok application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search TikTok application. Update your TikTok application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your TikTok application. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok. Something went wrong, try again later, retry problem in TikTok application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.